Is it recording? Ah, hello everybody, it's me, Haley. I'm back again. Sorry, my thing was not working right. I got another taste test for you. I got the stuff during Easter, and maybe it's good, maybe it's not. Okay, so not all of it's Easter stuff. But, let's start off with one of the things that's not Easter. Vanilla cupcake M&Ms. Seriously? Vanilla cupcake. M&Ms have so many different fucking flavors, it's not even funny anymore. Oh god, that smells like a lot of frosting. They're very pretty. So, looks like a deformed M&M. Oh my god. Vanilla cupcake, maybe, but that was like frosting. Pure unadulterated frosting. Bye bye. No more of those. Okay, up next is, I have no idea. Got these at Aldi's. They're on sale. I'm not even sure how to open it. They are Cloppers. Milk hazelnut wafers. 5-layer wafer bar with milk and hazelnut can be filling. 5 servings per container. Ooh, that was easier than I thought it would be. Okay, so well, that is pretty. That is a pretty wafer. It's crunchy, and you can taste each layer. It's got a little bit of peanut butter, which I have no idea why. Hazelnut, kind of a milky flavor, and milk chocolate, and that crunchiness. It's really good. I like this. Next up is Milka Oreo chocolate bar. This is different from the other one, I think. It's not too close, not too different. But then again, it's an Oreo cookie bar. How different can it get? That kind of different. I can see the Oreo in there. Okay. So it has the same type of filling as the other one. It's pretty good. It just is not as big as the other one. Not bad. It's almost identical to the other one. It just happens to be a flatter one and less cream. So if you like chocolate more than the cream, this is the better one. I still have to get the last one of the 3, but I don't know where that is. Okay. Next up is Cadbury Cream Eggs. Limited edition Cookies inside. I don't like cream eggs. I don't know why I got this. Cadbury eggs? I'm not a fan. Okay, so they look like that. It looks like a bit into an egg. Yeah, a sugary chocolate cookie. Now it's getting to the far too sweet part. That's the reason why I don't like Cadbury eggs. It feels like pure sugar to me. This looks like it'd be better. Now the Cadbury chocolate I like. But when it comes to the Cadbury eggs, ooh. So let's see if the crunchy one will be better. It's 3D! Am I eating peanut butter on a cookie? This kind of smells like something I put on my shoes to clean them. Yeah, it's peanut butter in a cookie. Really? Well, that was a flop. Found two things I like. One which was a Sherwood. But, if you like these stuff, you like these stuff. This is just my opinion. Hope you have a lovely day. Bye.